New at 4, sudden reversal in the way antibody testing is being done in Apopka.
After 300 tests, the city now needs FDA approval for the tests they were using.
Yeah, the city started using the tests last week, but now they need an emergency authorization to use them again. News 6's Nadine Yanis reached out to the city to see if these tests are valid.
You can see here at the City of Apopka's antibody testing site that they are not testing, that it's closed because the city learned due to changes in federal policy, the tests that they bought were not FDA approved. We're asking the mayor what happened. Instead of driving up to the antibody testing site, people are driving up for $5 grocery bags at the Apopka Community Center today. The testing site closed until the antibody tests the City of Apopka bought officially get FDA approval.
But what's happened is the FDA has pulled all of the emergency use authorizations for all of these test kits. I mean, there's hundreds of them out there.
The EUA, standing for Emergency Use Authorization, which the FDA is now requiring all distributors of the test to have and resubmit under stricter guidelines. The reversal in the FDA's policy after many new companies were flooding the markets with tests.
It's just funny that the cost of the kits have come down considerably since the first ones.
And some of those companies were putting out fraudulent tests, the FDA said in a news release last week.
Let's get something on the street. Let's kind of at least find something out. And then now let's start to fine tune our program. And so, from the FDA's point of view and from our point of view, you got to make adjustments.
Mayor Nelson does not believe that is the case for the 300 tests given to Apopka residents. For the folks who came last week, are their tests reliable? Not knowing that the FDA has pulled this.
I think they are. I think they're all reliable. I think it's more of a we had to get tests out into the market. I think they're going to do a little better job of vetting them now.
Now, Mayor Nelson believes that those tests will be approved here shortly. He wants to get antibody testing up and running again by Monday. If the tests end up not getting approved, he says they will buy a new batch and begin antibody testing again here in the city. In Apopka tonight, I'm Nadine Yanis, getting results, News 6.